Nikhil, I must say, you look great tonight because it really feels कि हम concert में आए हैं. First of all, I always do this. मैं बिना good evening बोल के निखिल को सवाल पूछ लेती हूँ. So I'll let you do that first. Good evening, Nikhil.
Good evening and good evening everybody and thank you for being here.
All right, Nikhil, could you please come slightly closer to me? Thank you so much. First of all, I want to congratulate you on what a run Prime Videos had already in 2026. Subedar, okay, Dal Dal, and one of my favorite shows I watched this year, Matka King, guys. Give it up for Matka King. So you really give us no time to breathe, even before Matka King's dust has settled. Here we are with Lokhe. And from the teaser that I saw last month, it's hard to say that this show is a particular sort of show. I can't say कि ये, you know, action है, music है, romance है, drama है. So my question to you is, क्या है Lokhe?
Okay, firstly, Rohini, thank you that you've enjoyed all the stuff that we put out all of the last 4-5 months of this year. And you're right, you know, it's easy to call Subedar an action movie or Matka King a crime drama, but this show is one of its kind. It's got romance, it's got action, it's got thrill, it's got high stakes emotion and music. So, and all of this has been blended so beautifully in this show. But if you ask me, at the heart of it, it is music. Music is at the core of the story and rap is the soul. You know, when you talk about music, you generally assume maybe this is largely background music, but here it's not background music, it's not being used to just heighten emotions. It's the very core of the story and it helps the narrative move forward very importantly. And we wanted to make sure that if this is a show about music, it'll be incomplete if we don't have a musical genius as a part of the show. So I'm absolutely delighted that King is making his acting debut with Lokhe. There's also a fantastic star cast who you'll meet just now. But there are two people who I wanted to call out in particular. This is Agrim and Debo. They're the showrunners, creators of Lokhe. They've stayed with the show the longest. This has taken a lot of time for us to put together, but it's really their hard work, their effort, their persistence, patience that's got us here. And of course, Vipul Bhai and Ajay and Rajesh are all here. Congratulations, it's our first partnership together. So, really excited, but I don't want to speak more. Let's sort of get on with things. But before we move the trailer, Lokhe is something that needs to be really experienced. So let's get into the feel of Lokhe before we talk about the trailer.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Nikhil. And please take a seat. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening with us. Give it up for Nikhil Madhur, please. Setting it up, all right. The energy in this room tells me something's just about to get started. And I love people who are in positions of power and they say, ek kaam karte hain, jaldi karte hain. Tonight, you're going to get a huge sneak peek, I would say, and you've got a lot coming out your way. So here's the best part. You're going to be the very first audience that's going to witness the trailer of Lokhe. So I think first give it up for yourselves. This is amazing. Because you're going to... दुनिया में 240 देशों में और territories में ये show आने वाला है. You are here tonight. So I think some chops for that. We've got amazing artists, amazing storytelling, amazing music, amazing action. So shall we just get to it? Yeah? Yeah? Can I hear a yes? All right, 8th of May exclusively, Prime Video per worldwide. But for right now, let's get the energy flowing through the room. I want to give a big shout out to my favorite streaming platform, of course, Amazon Music. Where is my Amazon Music team? Are you here in the house tonight? Okay, thank you so much. And the powerhouse label that is Warner Music India. Thank you so much for being with us. And of course, iske saath saath, never ever forget to credit creators. A massive shout out to Mohan Nerkar, the man behind the raw, hard-hitting sonic world of the show. Kahan hai Mohan ji? Mohan, hi Mohan. Mohan, of all the people you are standing, Toheen, we will get you a Swaran Kursi. Yes, thank you. And now, of course, baatein bahut ho gayi. Let's get to the first track of the night. My friends and fans, are you ready? Let me tell you something about this song. Pehle to this Gana is called Bulletproof. Okay? I love this song. song. I love it so much. This song features some of my favorite artists, starting with King, Amira Gill, and maybe you heard the name of my dost. His name's Karan Kanchan. That was amazing. I have to come straight to you first. You know, beautiful women first, King. I hope you're okay with that. Yeah. I just want to ask you, you know, जब दूसरे situations में पूछा जाता है तो बेचीदा सा लगता है, लेकिन आज तो बनता है. कैसा फील कर रही हैं आप?
Bulletproof. Completely, utterly bulletproof. Thank you, Rohini. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Thank you, King. This song is amazing. It's so powerful, and we're so grateful that we get to perform this for you live for the first time. So thank you for being here. And yeah, excited about looking on me.
I just want to say, तुम्हारी आवाज में मिट्टी की खुशबू है अमीरा. Like it was so beautiful. Can you give it
Thank
up
you,
for
thank you,
Ameera,
thank you so
please?
much.
Thank you so much. We'll see you in a bit. My man, Mahoy King! Woo! Oh my God. Okay. King, ये बात तो
Personal
personal baby. This is so cool. Okay, so here's the deal. All fans love King, love his music, but today the fans of King know that this is the first time he's gonna be making his debut as an actor. 1 second, can we just woo again for that? It's not easy. It's not easy. सच में बताओ, बुलेट प्रूफ फील कर रहे हो कि गोलियां आर पार हो गई हैं?
इतनी आर पार हो गई ना, अब करने लगा हूँ बुलेटप्रूफ फील. It's been a long journey, तो अब आदत हो गई है ना. I feel like this is life, you know.
Yeah.
Keep rocking.
I just want to say that the music is everything, right? And I think तुम्हारे इस शो के लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी है कि तुम्हारा promise है as one of the greatest musical artists of this country. You need to have a show that actually has great music in it. क्या वो promise deliver हो रहा है?
100%. I mean, वो तो मेरी चीज है तो.
हाँ जी. चलिए एक्टिंग की बातें करते हैं. Okay. How confident are you if as a musician you're here? Okay. Let's do 1 on 10, right? Okay, 1 to 10. As a musician, yeah. 11? 11 you said, okay. 11 on 10, okay. As an actor?
That's Palak, by the way.
पलक पीछे फूली नहीं समा रही हैं. वो पलक है और उनके साथ उनकी एक दोस्त है. दोनों I would just say gang members हैं आज. So what do you think of that? Talk about acting.
सी मेरा पहला है. और दूसरा मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, तो इतना बड़ा सोच के आया नहीं था. मतलब हाँ, मेरे को मज़ा बहुत आया था ऐसे स्टोरी सुनने में ना. मतलब कि हाँ कुछ है, और मैं लिसनर फर्स्ट हूँ, तो मेरे को मज़ा आया. मैं करने उतरा, वो करते करते इतनी ज़्यादा लर्निंग बन गई. अब फिर हूँ तो मैं स्टूडेंट ही, तो मैं रेट तो नहीं कर पाऊँगा अपने आप को, क्योंकि पहला है. हाँ, मेरे लिए ये सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट होगा, जिसने म्यूज़िक भी शायद उसी कॉम्प्लीमेंट से शुरू करा था मैंने, कि जब कोई चीज़ पहली बार करो आपको लोग बोले ऐसा लगे यार पहली बार नहीं करा. तो आई थिंक दैट्स गोना बी द बिगेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर मी. अगर किसी भी मेरे जो मुझसे इंसान प्यार करता है, अगर मुझे वो बोलेगा तो शायद मुझे अच्छा बूस्ट मिलेगा. बाकी रेट वेट तो देखो आ जाएगा, आप लोग देखना, जैसा लगे लड़का उस हिसाब से प्यार दे देना.
Yeah, I think it's amazing. I think it's awesome. I think all of the audience here, the fans, any fans here in the house tonight? Only fans in the house tonight. This is amazing. Okay, that's what this is about. Showing up for your artists, making sure that you're there on their personal milestone journey moments. And of course, अब आगे क्या होने वाला है आज के इस शो पर? Because you've done this too many times. Actually, King's got way more experience than me. अगला क्या सुनना है? Should we switch the vibe up a little bit?
डेफिनेटली. मतलब इट्स अ म्यूजिकल जर्नी, तो म्यूजिकली काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे गाने हैं जो. That's Palak.
This is my favorite part of the show.
Yeah, please introduce the next track. Like,
All right,
I'm
then
so
up
excited.
next, I think Bulletproof got us started. It's like that shot of espresso that you require to start off the evening, right? Congratulations, it was so lovely to have you on stage with us.
Thank you so
Ruwa,
much.
Rutvik,
Thank
thank
you.
you. I'll
Thank
see you
you.
guys
Thank
in a
you.
bit. Thanks. Give them a round of applause, guys. That song, what do you call it? It was like silk. है ना? It was like silk. There's no other way to describe that song. All right, up next, let's move ahead. It's time to bring on stage the people who believed in this vision and helped build the world of Look Hey into what it is today. Please welcome producers of Look Hey from Optimistics Entertainment, Vipul D. Shah and Rajesh Behel. Thank you. And now, can I please call upon the creators and executive producers who imagined this gritty, high-energy world from White Gorilla, Agrim Joshi and Debojit Das Purkayasa. I have to start with you and say कि जितना stylized है उतना ही emotional, and I think that's the balance, right? Because you can't just go with all style, no substance. So मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, what made you believe as a team that this series has the potential to touch hearts?
I think for me music, जब अग्रिम देवो ने स्टोरी सुनाई थी, I think music, म्यूजिकल क्राइम सीरीज, रोमांटिक सीरीज, whatever, जैसे निखिल ने बताया इसका जॉनर फिक्स नहीं है, but I think music adds so much value to this story concept and it multiplied 10 times more all the emotions. So for me music. Rajesh?
Yeah, I think, of course, music, but I think really when Agrim Devo came in for the first time and when we heard the story, I think the honesty in the story, right? I mean, that really caught us in the sense it was so relatable, so raw and so real, right? And on top of that, secondly, the characters were so interesting and the world which we saw was very interesting and the chemistry of the key characters once you see the show, it's so beautiful, right? So that was like, sort of cherry on the top. And I think to top that, great music, and I think Nikhil did mention that it's not the background music which we're talking about, right? We're talking about the soundtrack, and I think that's the piece which is at heart of it. And I think both of this put together was, the key reason which we just thought that this is going to be a very scaled up project and very ambitious series. And
here we are. And here we are. We're at a concert. This is amazing. Agrim Devo, let me tell you, सबसे ज़्यादा तालियां, cheers आपके लिए backstage से आ रही हैं. And that is always the testament to men who'd like to dream. So congratulations. इस कहानी को बताते वक्त बहुत सारे elements हैं. There's street culture, there's music, and there's characters. And unki emotional journeys. So what did you really want to focus on? What was the most important one? Can you rank?
Honestly, we are very drawn to stories of young people in such complex worlds. We wanted to tell stories that feel contemporary for what the youth is feeling right now. We needed a place that was simmering with rebellion, so we could pour so much youthful energy into this. Chandigarh fits perfectly. It sits at the intersection of all of these worlds. There is music, there is the desire for the youth to do great things with themselves. There is also crime, there's also darkness. And it melds beautifully to create this canvas for us,
On the other side of the story, there's a boy that's caught between what's right and what's easy. प्यार भी है, guilt भी है, और एक constant लड़ाई, खुद से भी और दुनिया से भी. So Mumbai, put your hands together for Lakshveer Singh Saran, or for Lucky, from the world of Look Hey. Alright, हाँ यार, तुम्हें जुदा नहीं करना है, साथ में खड़े रहो यार, माशा अल्लाह. Without giving too much away, okay, ये जो chemistry है, ये जो chemistry है, okay, I'm getting goosebumps. मुझे बताओ, what does it actually take to have chemistry that looks so good and so real? And the second thing, मुझे बता दो ना, कोई कौन सा twist है really?
I think the center of ऐसी chemistry जैसे आपने बोला is a great script, is great direction, is great creators having faith in you. That was king. It's having a co-star that believes in you, brings out the best in you. Is music that amplifies your emotion, and yeah, I mean, So much of it is owed to Lakshmir for the Sanova that he brought out of me. And I just know people are going to love us. But as far as twists are concerned, सिर्फ twists हैं.
सिर्फ ट्विस्ट है. Oh wow.
जी मुझे लगता है कि इस लुक्खे की दुनिया में चाहे जो कुछ भी हो जाए, लकी और सनोवर जरूर जी लेंगे.
ओए, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. अब लुक्खे की दुनिया की बात हो रही है तो बता दूं कि केवल रोमांस नहीं है. इट्स अ फुल ब्लोन यूनिवर्स. हर किरदार का अपना स्वैग, अपना फाइट और अपनी ही दुनिया है. सो लेट्स ब्रिंग देम अप टू यू. फर्स्ट अप, अ सेल्फ मेड रैपर, रॉ, अनप्रिडिक्टेबल, ट्रस्ट स्लो करता है पर जब करता है तो पूरी लॉयल्टी के साथ. अपनों के लिए शील्ड और दुश्मनों के लिए स्टॉर्म. गिव इट अप फॉर किंग AKA MC Badnaam. And up next, the one who holds this chaos together, sharp, sorted, emotionally strong, the brain behind the madness, calm on the outside, storm on the inside. Make some noise for Kritika Bharadwaj as Maddie! Alright, that love is real. हर रैपर के क्रू में एक ऐसा बंदा होता है जो कम बोलता है लेकिन जब बोलता है तो पूरा का पूरा सीन चेंज कर देता है. फियर्सली लॉयल, प्रोटेक्टर, एनफोर्सर, प्लीज वेलकम नकुल रोशन सहदेव एज जैज़ी. इस दुनिया में अगर बदनाम इस कहानी का हीरो है तो OG इस कहानी का विलन. अब ये वो है जो MC बदनाम का नाम एक्चुअली बदनाम करना चाहता है. रैपर है लेकिन अपने काम से नहीं, अपने नाम से OG है. मुंबई, are you ready for the tension? Welcome Shivankit Singh Parhar as OG. चलिए, यहाँ पर मैं देख रही हूँ फ्रेंड्स भी हैं, एनिमीज भी हैं, लेकिन इन सबको ब्रेक अप करेंगी अ कॉप विद फायर इन हर आईज एंड पर्पस इन हर हार्ट, एक्शन ड्रिवन, इमोशनली ग्राउंडेड एंड अनस्टॉपेबल व्हेन इट कम्स टू हर मिशन. ट्रेलर से तो लग रहा है शी इज ऑलरेडी ओनिंग द स्क्रीन विद हर फियर्स परफॉर्मेंस. Put your hands together for the incredibly powerful Rashi Khanna as good. Since you're already here and you're standing hopefully closest to me, अभी सबको हग करते हटते वो उस तरफ चली जाएंगे. हाँ, दिख रहा है मुझे. I love this, I love this. दूर चली जाओ मुझसे. But you have to come back and hug me. Yeah, babe. Congratulations. Okay, Rashi, I'm going to start with you.
Yes.
The action in the trailer is absolutely top notch, and your character looks incredibly powerful. So I want to know, who is Gurbani really? Like, what can we expect from her? गोलियां चला रही है यार, कौन है ये?
आई थिंक सबसे पहले तो मैं लुखे के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी. एक ऐसी दुनिया में फेंके गए हैं जहाँ पे सही क्या है और गलत क्या है उसको डिफाइन करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है. इट्स अ ग्रे जोन जैसे हमारी ज़िंदगी में होता है. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट मेक्स दीज कैरेक्टर्स वेरी वेरी रिलेटेबल. इन फैक्ट द फर्स्ट थिंग आई लव्ड अबाउट द स्क्रिप्ट was how beautifully these characters were written. Thank you to Debo, thank you to Agrim for being the wonderful showrunners that they are. Thank you to Himank, our director, जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है to bring out the best in us. To Amazon and our producers for backing content like this. To all my Lukhas who've done such a fantastic job, and I think it is a team effort. उनके बिना शायद गुरबानी नहीं होती. जहाँ तक गुरबानी की बात है तो इट इज़ अ होम कमिंग फॉर मी. मैंने बहुत सारी भाषाओं में काम किया है लेकिन पंजाबी इज़ हु आई एम एंड पंजाबी इज़ हु आई प्ले. सो आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल रहा है रीज़न दैट आई बिकेम हर एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव माई कैरेक्टर. आप देखेंगे जट्टी है और आप ये भी देखेंगे कि a Punjaban in all her power. There's so much that she hides. और आप देखेंगे कि unprocessed grief एक इंसान को क्या बना देता है. She doesn't raise her voice. She raises intensity in every scene that she's in. And that's why I love her. I loved playing her. And I hope आप लोगों को भी वो उतनी ही पसंद आए. एक नरम लड़की जो शो में बहुत गर्म हो जाती है.
All right.
I hope all you guys love it. We all have worked very hard, and I'm proud of this show. Thank you.
Wow, that is beautiful. You know, I must take this to King. King, we've done many interviews in my studio, और मुझे याद है उस दौर में कभी ना कभी, okay, हमने बात की थी about you becoming an actor. Okay, I remember that. I'll play that clip for you. I'll put it on the internet. Okay. लेकिन मुझे पूछना है यार, लेट्स बी रियल फॉर अ सेकंड एंड आस्क यू कि व्हाइल यू वर शूटिंग इन लुखे, वो एक मोमेंट आता है हर किसी की जिंदगी में जहाँ पर वो कहता है यार शायद मैं एक्टर बन रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट वाज दैट लाइक फॉर यू?
नहीं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, हर दिन जब भी मैं स्केट पे पहुंचा हूँ, सेट पे, हर दिन मुझे ये चीज़ फील होती गई है. जब भी जिसके भी साथ इस सीरियल में सबसे अच्छी चीज़ जो मुझे लगती है कि मैं म्यूजिशियन हूँ, म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड से आता हूँ, बट मेरे साथ जितने भी हैं सारे टॉप नॉच एक्टर्स हैं. तो इवेंचुअली वो नहीं होता कि बाज के साथ अगर तुम मुर्गी को छोड़ोगे तो मुर्गी को लगने लगेगा वो बाज है. सो मेरे लिए मैं आई एम जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट अगेन. हर दिन सीखा हूँ इनसे, और हर दिन जब भी वो टेक बेटर होता गया, हिमांग भाई ने बोला हाँ ये सही है, और जब भी अग्रिम भाई आके बताते थे कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करना, और वो इमोट हो पाता था सही तरीके से, तो मुझे लगता था कि हाँ मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं है. मेरे पास सबसे कम नॉलेज है इस चीज़ की. मेरे पास बस एक फीलिंग है कि किसी ने अगर कोई दुनिया दिखाई है मैं उसे इमेजिन कर सकता हूँ, और मैं अपनी भी दुनिया ऐसी बनाता हूँ. तो ये वाली दुनिया अग्रिम भाई और देबू भाई ने बनाई थी, एंड देन फिर वो दिखाने की कोशिश करी है हिमांग भाई ने, और हमने उसके अंदर अपने अपने किरदार निभाए हैं. तो मुझे लगता है मेरे लिए रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ सीखना था. अभी आई एम अ बेटर पर्सन. उस 70 दिन के स्केड्यूल से पहले मैं कुछ और था, उसके बाद मैं कुछ और हूँ. जिंदगी में कभी भी ऐसा मौका मिलेगा तो बेहतर ही बनेंगे.
That is so beautiful. I learned so much here. Can we say that again? मुझे मेरे कानों में नहीं आया. Nice. Thank you. No, it takes something for an artist who is at the top of one game to turn around and say, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, you know, and I think that's really beautiful. So a round of applause, please, once again. Shivankit, okay, Kritika, Nakul, you all have mics in your hand. I want to ask you, each of you, can you describe your character in a word? OG, कैसा है?
An absolute monster, actually. I would say, yeah. And the interesting part is, when you see the show, you realize why and how he became a monster. That's an interesting journey. But yeah, on one word, if I define him, he's a monster.
Monster. Okay, hang on to that thought. Kritika, कौन है Paddy?
She's a baddie.
Okay.
With a nurturing heart, so it's a nice balance of both. You see a girl doing her thing, but at the same time taking everyone with her together and being a badass at that. So yeah, that's Paddy for you. A baddie.
Thank you so much. यार नकुल बताओ, है कौन ये?
मुझे एक्चुअली थोड़ा सोचने का टाइम भी मिल गया था, लेकिन कोई वर्ड दिमाग में नहीं आया. लेकिन मैं एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगा जो मैंने अग्रिम से एक बार बात करी थी, कि जियाजी ना बस जिंदा है, क्योंकि जीते तो बहुत लोग हैं यार, जिंदा एक ही आदमी रहता है, वो है जियाजी.
Wow, that's some way to put it. This is amazing. Guys, ये एनर्जी आप देख रहे हैं, आप जरा सोचिए कि ये शो बनाते वक्त कितना रियल रहा होगा. I just want to give you guys like the biggest kisses that I can from right here. Can we please request our friends from the press to take out your cameras if they're not already up, and I give you the cast of Look Hey for that photograph. Maybe you want to take those mics away? behind. Yes. Thank you. That's perfect. Thank you. And now let's get the frame even bigger. Can I invite on stage the team that brought to vision this amazing show? Director and head of Originals Prime Video India, Nikhil Madhu. Thank you so much, everybody. Can I please request the creators as well as the producers to kindly take your seats front of house, and can I please request the cast?
इट्स बीन माई ड्रीम एक्चुअली. जब बचपन में हम बोलते हैं ना कभी कभी हम टीचर बनेंगे, जब हम छोटे थे कि हम मोस्टली लड़कियां बोलती हैं हम टीचर बनेंगे, मैं बोलती थी मैं सिंगर बनूंगी. तो मेरा सपना था कहीं ना कहीं कि मुझे गाना गाना है. बट एक्टिंग फाउंड मी एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव माई क्राफ्ट. I just want to thank my team and Amazon for letting me do this and make my dream come true.
That is so sweet. That is so sweet. I must also ask you, yaar, that this show seems to be so special for moving an actor to actually step out of their comfort zone, do something for the first time in front of an audience. ये show थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही special है ना राशि?
ये बहुत स्पेशल है एक्चुअली. जैसे मैंने बोला कि बहुत सारी ऐसी लेयर्स हैं जो आप देखेंगे हर किरदार की. एंड थ्रू माई कैरेक्टर स्पेशली यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ग्रीफ डज टू पीपल व्हेन इट्स नॉट डेल्ट विद. यू नो इट लीव्स थ्रू योर फिजिकल सेल्फ, थ्रू द रफनेस इन योर लैंग्वेज. बट आई फील लाइक ऑल दैट ग्रीफ इज जस्ट अनएक्सप्रेस्ड लव, एंड वी ऑल गो थ्रू इट एंड इट चेंजेस अस, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट मेक्स माई कैरेक्टर रियली रिलेटेबल. बट मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगी कि आपको हर कैरेक्टर से प्यार हो जाएगा, तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगी कि आप किसकी साइड लें. आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट आवर शो. यस,
Amazing. Thank you so much, Rashi. I think what I want you to do is try something more tonight. देखो एक्टिंग तो कर लेती हैं, गाना भी गा दिया, लेकिन अब मेरी भी नौकरी ले लो, राशि खन्ना. Just do me a favor. Why don't you tell us what's coming up next? Because there is another track that the audience and the fans especially would love to hear tonight. Tell us a little bit more about it.
थैंक यू सो मच रोहिणी. वैसे आप सबके लिए अब और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आ रहा है. यस, द नेक्स्ट ट्रैक फ्रॉम लुखे. Some stories aren't just about the feeling of being let down, they're about how you rise from it, how you heal, and how you choose to live again. And this next track is exactly about that journey.
That's beautiful. This one's called Ji Lenge, by the way. It's composed by King and Barkale. It's produced by Bark and sung by King and Rua K. So Mumbai, make some noise for King!